Look at the little saw pits. Yes, Dylan. I've been telling myself I wanted to do the microscope for a while, but I haven't ever gotten around to it. Let's check out how much I've dulled the blade. Oh, this thing's like upside down. Oh, yeah. I dulled the shit out of that. I've dropped it so many times. It's not even funny. Oh, look at the blade. That's probably blood right there. I've cut myself a few times. Oh, look at the depth of those blades. So you guys can see. I know the webcam's a little small, but it looks like... I wish I had a better frame rate. It's only 25 frames. Next, I got a piece of a dryer sheet. Oh, wait. Oh, look at the woven fabrics. Now, I wonder what this is going to look like. This is the feather that I was going to send in, but I never ended up doing it. Dude, that's like... Those are all the feather bristles. Let's get to the edge of it. Oh, look at the edge of the feather. Oh, yeah, look at that. This feather's in really good condition, too. Alright, next I have my music box. My Xanderkin music box. Let's look at the design on it. Look at the wood. It's pretty cheap wood, but... See the carving of it. I wanted to see the actual, because you have the music box portion of it that, you know... Whoop. And how that works is just like all those little pins get plucked as it goes. So these are the little prongs that get that pluck right there. So when those prongs are pulled by the rivets as they're being turned by the gears in the dial, the prongs slap back down and is what makes the music. I wonder if there's any way I could Oh, it's because there's some lettering on there. Some numbering. That's so cool. I'm not sure how well this is going to zoom in, but we can try to look at the actual notches in the record. Okay. So those are the grooves that the needle goes along that play the music. Chris says as if he understands anything about how records work. So for anybody, if you have a phone, it's probably really fucking gross. So this is down inside my USB-C charging port. That's actually not bad, considering what my iPod looked like. So those are all the connectors. Oh, that's my speaker. Oh, and even that's not that bad. That's honestly not bad. Because, like, when you look at it, it doesn't look gross at all. It doesn't look filthy, right? This is a tissue. Unused, but that's what catches a lot of ejaculate every day. Oh, yeah, look at the chin hair. See, my hair is super curly. It, like, tangles. Oh, my eyes are so bloodshot. Been really stressed out. We're looking at a lint roller now, by the way. Oh, we got a hair. Oh, look at all the little fibers. Look at the tiny, tiny little fiber. What is that? Look at all the pubes. 90% of what's being rolled on my lint rollers is bunny fur, but this just looks like fabric lint. The buzzer that I use to shave the sides of my head. So, thanks, I appreciate it. I'm doing my fucking best every day. That's not true. I could be doing a lot better, but I'm getting by. So this thing does not get cleaned the best. It does not get cleaned the best. So let's see what hair gets stuck in it. If anyone doesn't like hair, I'm sorry, this might be a little bit gross. Let's look down inside. Oh, and this is all head hair, by the way. It's just stuck in there. And I do wash it after I use it, but it's just... Oh, dude, it's so... Everything is so gross. Everything is so gross. I don't think I'm going to be able to turn it on and see it because the frame rate's too slow. But let's see if I can get a focus. Let's see if I can turn it on and see the blades. Look at that. That's disgusting. If you ever want to hear me make a bunch of shitty dad jokes and stuff, check out the podcast, which we just put out a new... Oh, look at that. Look where they bond to the actual stem. We just put out a new episode of the podcast, by the way, if anyone wants to see it. It's Season 2, Episode 7 of the Nihility podcast. Plug, plug, plug. Also, I got a new merch store up right now. Is that condensation or is that texture? That was like texturing of the bottle. You can see little droplets in there, too. So a little bit of condensation on it. There's some oh, it's a heart! Ooh, a Mike and Ike. I'm gonna take a bite out of the Mike Ike. Oh, fuck, dude, I love these so much. I don't want to eat that. I want to take another bite. That's so disgusting. Shredded paper edge. So that's the packaging being torn open. Which actually I can light and we can watch it smolder, but... So here is the tip of an incense. There we go. See a little bit of the red edge there. No. Every time I try, I have to like roll it on top of it to get a top-down view, and it snuffs it. Well, that's gonna be it for another Zoom stream. If anybody wants to see me do this again, be sure to let me know. I'll try to come up with a list of stuff to do. Thank you guys for hanging out, and I will see you in the next stream, and this as a video when it comes out.